so good. We're gonna do this together. Ready? Zozo, how do you feel about this campsite?
I did it!
Did it? Did it? Did it?
Wow!
Yay, Zozo! Zozo, we're gonna go camping as a family. We're gonna make some memories. Or you make memories by yourself. With Shelter in Place, we've become very familiar with the feeling of wanting to go out and explore but not being able to. In these crazy times, we set out to Denny Creek Campground to break out of the routine and come alive.
Okay, go outside.
No!
Go.
No!
Get out. Get out.
It's not a complete trip without a full toddler meltdown. Little man forgot his little bear, so he's having a little moment here. Zaki, it's okay you forgot your bear. We'll have a couple days without bear, then we'll go home and you can have bear. You parents know how it is traveling with the little ones. Packing for days, diapers, worrying if they're going to be warm enough, extra clothes, baby carrier, extra food, toys, shoes, all for a couple of days. Setting up the tent at the campsite, carrying the little one through the hike, diaper changes, tantrums, not sleeping through the night. We hit bumps, we got over them like we always do, and back we were adventuring. Fresh bread, Zaza, you had fresh bread? Yeah. Zaza. Waterfall. This is kind of nice right here because all the kids need are some rocks and a river, and you got yourself a babysitter. Thanks, Mother Nature. Zaza, you got a stick. You got a stick, Zaza. This way, go this way. Well, you see that, Zozo? Where's the waterfall? Where is it? Whoa! Wow! Yeah, we're doing it! Unfortunately, little guy's a little bit apprehensive because it's so loud. But he'll warm up and start throwing rocks in the river. Alright, Zaki, you wanna go close to the falls?
out of the thing. What's carbon to burn?
Yep. Closer. Close to the fire, go ahead. Yeah. Good. Just like that.
Right there?
So you're gonna put this guy? Yeah, look at that. S'more.
When shall
See
we
that?
eat that?
Now. How is it?
Good.
These COVID times can be such a trap. On the one hand, we're fortunate to be healthy. On the other hand, we feel forced to be grateful while being stuck at home. It can be such mixed messages. Work is always at home now, and it's challenging to break away from it. In these times, it can seem risky to just go outside, let alone plan a camping trip with the little ones. However, we are so glad we did. We came home re-energized, rejuvenated, refreshed. We're grateful that we were able to just step outside, go on a camping trip, hit pause on life, make some great memories, and came back feeling alive.
The little one right there is just hanging out. So yeah, that's it. A cool. And subscribe below. Make it a great day. Catch you on the next one.